Hey there guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be showing you how to use Samsung Interpreter Mode feature. Now this interpreter mode in Samsung provides a real-time face-to-face language translation. It includes specialized dual screen layouts for foldables and improved offline capabilities for travel. All you have to do is open your quick panel by dragging towards downwards and also once again. To access this quick panel, from here you should be able to find interpreter option. Go ahead and click on it, then go ahead and tap on this continue button. Now you should be connected to your Wi-Fi. Once you are connected, and you should be able to tap and select the language from the options. Now tap the microphone icon next to your language and speak. The device will audibly recite the translation and show it as a text on the screen. The other person can then tap their corresponding mic icon to reply in their language. And that is how you can use this Samsung Interpreter Mode feature as of 2026. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.